Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just gonna want to show you how to replace AC pressure switch on 2016 Ford Escape. Well, first of all, before you do this job, you gotta vacuum out the line. Might need some machine, AC machine. Well, if you don't have machine, then you better not do this job. Then otherwise it'll cause other problems and it won't fix it properly. So just want to make a long video short. That first of all, you gotta remove this engine cover right here, that gonna cover here, and these things located all the way back there. All the way back there, you're gonna see right there. So first of all, I just take out this hose right here, plastic hose, and you gotta disconnect this and just push it here and pull it out. Also, then you're gonna have to remove this piece, loosen the 8mm bolts right here, and take it off, and you're gonna be able to access your hands inside the engine compartment. And this is 14mm. Use short wrench and you'll be able to take it off. So pretty much that's it, and thank you. If this video helpful, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more video. Thank you.